Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about adding vertical visual value to your arrangements. Oftentimes you have a gorgeous design, but it doesn't look like it's designed to full value. Adding a few linear items will enhance and add that impact. Maybe it's millet coming up above, dancing over the top. Maybe it's fountain grass, adding a little bit of whimsy, nice movement. Maybe it's a little heavier, tucking in amaranthus that's even taller than what it started. Or curly willow, the magic tool that always works for almost any arrangement. No matter what you do, adding something tall will add value to your designs.